Hello friends, in this video we will solve this question. So let us read it. It says that three forces start acting simultaneously on a particle moving with a velocity. Then these forces are represented in magnitude and direction by the three sides of the triangle ABC, and triangle ABC is showing the three forces, and then they are saying that the particle will now move with velocity. Okay, so we have to find out what is the final velocity, okay, of the particle. So first of all, okay, as you see, okay, that the forces that are acting, okay, on this particle, so the three forces are acting, right? So, and the three forces that you can see in the triangle, okay, they are the three forces that are acting on this particle. So let us, so if suppose this is the particle, then you will say that this is FAB, okay, and then this force we have marked. Then there is one force which is acting in this direction, so let us mark that. So this is FBC, okay, and there is another force, this one, okay. So this is also acting on the particle, so let us say this is FAC, okay. So these we can say these are the three forces acting on this particle. Now how to find out, okay, whether what, because they have not given any magnitude and all, right? But from this triangle itself, okay, can you find out anything? So from the triangle itself we can see that, okay, the triangle law is getting satisfied, okay, in this question. The triangle law, what does it state? So if I use the triangle law in this question, okay, you know that F1 plus F2 plus F3 is equal to 0, right? We can write like this, right? This is equal to 0. So this is your F1 force, F2 force, and F3 force is equal to 0. So you say that if this is F1 and this is F2, right? So if you see all these forces, right, they are in the same direction. So this is F1, okay, then this is your F2 and this is your F3, right? So we can directly apply the triangle law here, okay, because all the three are in the same direction, so triangle law is applied. So F1 plus F2, okay, is equal to negative of F3, right? Or F1 plus F2 plus F3 is equal to 0. So in this case, okay, all the net force, okay, on this particle, okay, because of this system, the net force, what is the F net, okay, that is acting on this particular particle here? What is F net? So F net, I can write that F net on this particle is nothing but 0. So if net force is 0, okay, then acceleration is what? Force is mass into acceleration. So mass cannot be 0. So acceleration, okay, net acceleration will be 0, right? Because this is mass into acceleration. So mass is not 0 means acceleration is 0. So if acceleration is 0 means no acceleration is happening, then in that case what will be the velocity? So if I use v is equal to u plus at, okay, what is the final velocity? So if acceleration, this thing is only 0, okay, this cancels, right? So initial velocity, so final velocity is equal to initial velocity only. So there is no change in velocity. Whatever was the velocity, it remains the same, correct? So in this case, we will say that v remains unchanged, okay, because the net acceleration is 0. Why the net acceleration is 0? Because the net force that is acting, as we can see from the triangle law, okay, the net force, okay, is balanced, it is equal to 0, and therefore we can say that, okay, since acceleration is 0, the final velocity is also 0. So that's how we solve this question. Thanks for watching.